Hello, our topic for today is phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb consists of a verb and a preposition or adverb that modifies or changes the meaning of a word or a phrase. For instance, give up is a phrasal verb that means stop doing something, which is very different from give. Now, see here, add up. Add up means to calculate or sum up. Mother added up the amounts spent on various things. Next is act up. Act up is behave or function improperly. We need to take the car to the garage because it's acting up again. Back out. Back out means to withdraw from a promise or a contract. I felt grieved when he backed out of his promise to help him. Back up. Back up means give support or to sustain. He was backed up by his family members to fight for his rights. Back down. Stop defending your opinion in a debate. She never backs down and almost always wins arguments. Bear with. Bear with means be patient. Please bear with me while I complete my work. Bear out. Bear out means to support, to confirm. The evidence does not bear out the charge against him. Bear down on somebody. Bear down on somebody means take strong measures against. A government is bearing down on drug traffickers. Bear on. Bear on means have to do with. This information may bear on this case. Bear up or bear up under means withstand. I don't think he would bear up so well in that situation. Beat back. Beat back means to force to withdraw. The demonstrators were beaten back by the police. Boil down. Boil down means to amount to. His entire argument boiled down to the fact that he did not approve of our plans. Break in. Break in means enter a place unlawfully or interrupt also. While we were discussing the situation, she broke in to give her opinion. And the burglar broke in between midnight and 3 p.m. The burglar broke in between midnight and 3 p.m. means enter a place unlawfully. And while we were discussing the situation, she broke in to give her opinion means interrupt. Now, break into. Break into means enter a place unlawfully. That is same like break in. Break down. Stop working properly of a car or a machinery. The plant broke down on account of extreme voltage fluctuations. Or the truck broke down in the desert. Break out. Break out means to arise suddenly or to appear violently. Bird flu broke out in many parts of the country. Or when COVID-19 broke out in the country, everything came to a standstill. Break up. Break up means to disperse, to dissolve, end a relationship. The two best friends broke up over a small issue. Break off. Break off means end something. Hina broke off her friendship with Rita over a small misunderstanding. Blow in. Blow in means visit unexpectedly. My friend blew in unexpectedly with the entire family. Break out. Break out means use something extravagant for celebration. The business broke out the champagne to celebrate his success. The businessman broke out the champagne to celebrate his success. Break out of means escape. The murderer broke out of the prison. Bring up. Bring up means to raise a child. She was born and brought up in Punjab. Bring out. Bring out means to reveal clearly. These facts clearly bring out the merits of the new policy. Bring about. Bring about means cause to happen. Globalization brought about great change in Indian economy. Brush off. Brush off means ignore something or someone. Madhu brushed her family members off at the party. Call up. Call up means telephone. I called Seema up to see if she wanted to come for picnic with us. Call back. Call back to telephone back again. To telephone again. Could you call back tomorrow, please? Call off. Call off means cancel. Since the workers' demands have been met, they have called off the strike. Call upon. Call upon means to order, to require. I was unfortunately called upon to give evidence against my best friend. Call for. Call for means require, as in a recipe. The matter calls for immediate action. Call on. Call on means visit. Ajay called on his cousin Vinay when he was in Ajmer. Call on. Invite someone to speak in a meeting or a classroom. The announcer called on Professor Sharma to address the audience. Thank you.